What's the meaning of CGI? CGI. CGI.
CGI. CGI. CGI stands for computer-generated imagery, which refers to the use of computer graphics to create images and special effects in movies, television shows, video games, and other forms of media. CGI technology has revolutionized visual storytelling by enabling filmmakers and content creators to realize their wildest creative visions on screen. From creating futuristic cities to bringing fantastical creatures to life, CGI has become an essential tool for visual storytelling in the modern age. Its ability to seamlessly blend real-life footage with computer-generated elements has helped to push the boundaries of what's possible in film and digital media.